Saxon's Trig, lesson 94, is graphs of secants and cosecants, and then in part B, tangents and cotangents. We know that the words secant and cosecant are opposite of sine and cosine. So in example 1, it says, write the equations of these trigonometric functions, and then it just looks like they've dumped you into the deep end of the pool without any sort of explanation. So for the graph of cosecant, which is the opposite of sine, you are going to graph a normal sine curve, which starts in the center, 4 sections, ending at 360 without any changes. This is just the basics. High point of 1, low point of -1. And then I'm going to say that it's the positive, so we're going to go up first. And here is that one basic curve. Now, everywhere I'm crossing at a 0 on the x-line, I am turning them into asymptotes, things I can't touch. So that would be this y-axis and then here and here at 360. And although I've put the basic sine curve here, technically in the graph it doesn't exist. I'm using it as a placeholder to show what's happening. So the high point and the low points become the vertex of parabola-looking shapes bounded by the asymptote lines. So this ignored just the U-shapes with asymptotes at, and this is where you need to begin to memorize, 180 and 360 for cosecant. Now let's do the same thing for secant, which is the opposite of cosine. High point of 1, low point of -1, that's my 0. Again, I'm going to do the positive format, 4 sections, ending in 360 again. So I would go down, low point, and return to, so here's the basic curve. And then everywhere that I'm touching, I would create an asymptote line. So now these are at 90 and 270 memorized. So they're the exact opposite of these asymptotes. And here the y-axis is not an asymptote, it's a starting place. So I'm going to only draw half of that curve. This one I can draw the full curve using the asymptotes, and then this one, again, I can only draw half.